Hi guys, it's Nunu. This is week 3, and I have 5 notes for you. Number 1, I care about your learning. I am active in discussions. Look for my notes in your thread. If I ask you a question, please respond. Number 2, remember that most discussion assignments have 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Both are worth points. I notice that some people are not participating in part 2. Part 2 is usually the peer evaluations, and that's a shame. They're losing points, and our discussion assignments are discussions. We don't want you to feel isolated in cyberspace. So please remember to contribute it to part 2. Participate so you can be with me and with your peers. You're not alone out there. Okay, number 3, check the due dates for each assignment by clicking on the due dates link. Don't assume assignments are due Sunday. Remember, in the FAQ assignment, one of the first things we did, our frequently asked questions, I let you know that the Canvas software lets me list only one due date. I just list the end of the week for convenience Sunday, but we have a due dates link, and we have different due dates for our assignments, which usually include a part 1 and a part 2. Okay, the fourth thing, if you have questions or concerns, I'm in inbox, and I keep my office hours Monday and Wednesday, 12 to 2 p.m. General Classroom Building 210D. This is my office right here. And number 5, consider joining the Transfer Honors Program, which may help you to be admitted to universities like UCLA. Talk to me in inbox. So the Transfer Honors Program is important. I'll be showing you an assignment I have ready for you if you decide you would like to participate. Okay, let me go ahead down here and let's get into our classroom. All right, before I get into what's due this week, let me just click on this link up here. Here is the Transfer Honors Program. Let me move the screen up. You can see the URL right here where it is. It's on the West LA website. You can watch this video about what the Transfer Honors Program can do for you. Okay, let me go back into our classroom, and let me again move the screen a little bit over so we can see properly. Okay, here we are. We are in English 101. We are in week 3 in modules. We begin the week on the 19th, and we end it officially on the 24th, which is Sunday. But again, remember that assignments are not necessarily due on a Sunday. We have other due dates. Now, why are we beginning on the 19th and not the 18th? Well, Monday the 18th is President's Day, so there's no school, and I have accounted for that in our work this week. Okay, so what are we doing in week 3? We're doing discussion 3, and we have an MLA quiz. We can access the assignments here through modules, which is our Bible. It contains the links to all of our assignments, everything we're doing throughout the class. But I'm going to click on this link here. Excuse me. So here I am. I'm in to-do list for week 3, February 19th through 24th. Please read this carefully. And go ahead and scroll down the screen and read the honors program assignment if you are interested and learn about honors, okay? Sorry, I'm getting a cold here, the flu. Pardon me. So I'm back here, and I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. You're never bugging me if you email me here, and you're never emailing me too much. There's no stupid questions, okay? Any questions or concerns, I am right here. And again, this is our work for week 3. Read it carefully. And as always, survey ahead, find out what's due in the weeks to come. Okay, questions or concerns? I'm here.